I'm almost about to go into the Karate Kid. But no, seriously, balancing act, family. We have to really learn and strike a balance between project demands and personal well-beings to avoid this thing that we call burnout. You know, burnout is really real. But I will say this to you, family. Eventually you will burn out. And burnout is not good, because burnout really what it means is that now you put yourself in a position as you're not as effective enough as you could be if you really took that time to step away, catch your breath, and rethink. It's sort of like, I remember one time, family, when I got this email from someone, or we call it a nasty gram in the world of project management. I got this nasty gram. This nasty gram wanted to tell me every which way but right or left. It wanted to tell me who I wasn't and who I should be. And I wanted to, but I'm not even gonna go there. But so I got up and I walked away. And I want to thank the manager at that time, because I don't know if he's seen smoke coming off my head or what, but he walked over and he said, "You look troubled. What's going on?" And so I got up and I said, "Read this email." And he read, he said, "Oh, that was very disrespectful." He said, "Do you want to escalate it to me to handle?" I said, "No, no, 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 no. I'll handle that myself."